From Brixton to Kingston, how multi-generational living connects Jamaica's past, present, and future. By Jamaica Homes, published on March 3, 2025. There's a unique rhythm that connects the bustling streets of Brixton, London, with the vibrant heartbeats of Kingston, Jamaica. A rhythm of family, resilience, and roots stretching across oceans and generations. For many Jamaicans, Brixton became a symbol of new beginnings during the Windrush era, a place where hopes were high but challenges were real. Yet, despite the miles, the migration, and the changing landscapes, the essence of home, the importance of family and community, remained unshaken. As many of the Windrush generation's descendants make their way back to Jamaica or invest in property here, multi-generational living is experiencing a revival. It is both a nod to tradition and a pragmatic response to today's economic realities, bridging Brixton's diaspora dreams with Kingston's enduring legacy. Windrush, the journey from home and back again. The Windrush generation refers to the Jamaicans and other Caribbean immigrants who arrived in Britain starting in 1948 aboard the HMT Empire Windrush. They came seeking opportunity, sending back remittances and dreams to their families in Jamaica. Brixton, with its vibrant Caribbean community, became a cultural hub where reggae, food, and the sounds of home mingled with London life. Yet, despite the new world they built, the longing for Kingston, the birthplace of ancestors, culture, and family, remained strong. Fast forward to today, and there is a growing movement of returnees, descendants of the Windrush, who are choosing to settle or invest in Jamaica. But what they bring back is more than capital. It's a renewed appreciation for family-centered living, communal strength, and multi-generational support. The multi-generational home, a tradition that transcends borders. Whether in Brixton's tight-knit terraces or Kingston's lively yards, multi-generational living has been a cornerstone of Jamaican life. In Jamaica, this looks like building out on family land, adding rooms slowly, block by block, sharing kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces without losing dignity, pooling incomes to meet mortgage payments and bills, passing down homes and wealth from grandparents to grandchildren. Across the diaspora, families in Brixton might share rent in tight flats or live in converted houses where the whole clan gathers for Sunday dinners, a practice mirrored by Jamaican families under the same Caribbean sun. From Brixton to Kingston, the multi-generational home is more than shelter. It's the heartbeat of our culture and resilience. Dean Jones. Why the revival? Economics meets heritage. Today's economic pressures are challenging. Rising house prices and mortgage rates in Jamaica. Inflation biting into everyday expenses. Young Jamaicans burdened by student loans and stagnant wages. The cost of elder care climbing steadily. For families both here and abroad, the simple reality is, buying or maintaining a home alone is harder than ever. Multi-generational living offers a solution by pooling resources and sharing expenses, making homeownership achievable and sustainable. When parents, children, and extended family combine incomes, they can qualify for larger mortgages, afford homes in better neighborhoods like Kingston 10 or St. Andrew, share bills, JPS, NWC, internet, groceries, easing monthly burdens. From Brixton to Kingston, stories of shared living. There's a saying in Brixton that echoes the Jamaican yard. Every man and every woman got fi mek a yard fi themselves. But in truth, many yards and homes became shared spaces, places where laughter, struggle, and culture mingled. Back in Kingston, multi-generational homes were never just about affordability. They were, and remain, communities within walls. Yards where kids ran free, grandparents passed down wisdom, and families pooled efforts. It's in this space where old traditions meet modern realities. The youngest generation learns about Sarasi tea to cleanse blood and the uses of leaf of life. The old folks share stories about the rolling calf, a myth that kept children in line at night. Kitchens fill with the scent of bush rat soup for coughs or guinea hen weed for stomach aches. In Brixton, Jamaican families recreate this tradition in cramped apartments, while in Kingston, these homes often expand organically over years, reflecting the family's growth and changing needs. Building bigger futures, how multi-gen living shapes Jamaica today. In both Brixton and Kingston, multi-generational living is adapting and thriving. Design innovations. New Jamaican developments include dual kitchens, multiple bathrooms, and separate entrances to allow privacy within the shared home. Legal clarity. Increasingly, families use co-ownership agreements to formalize shared investments, protecting relationships and property rights. Financial empowerment. By combining resources, families access homes that might otherwise be out of reach, turning collective dreams into collective assets. Our homes tell stories, stories of migration, survival, and hope, written in concrete, timber, and love. Dean Jones. Challenges on the journey. Living with family can be joyful, but requires work and understanding. Clear financial arrangements prevent tension. Legal paperwork ensures everyone's interests are protected. Privacy needs to be respected with thoughtful home design. Open, honest communication must be practiced regularly. Just like the Windrush generation had to navigate new challenges abroad, families today navigate these new dynamics in homeownership, but with the same spirit of togetherness and perseverance. A call back to roots and forward to legacy. For many in Brixton, owning property in Kingston represents more than real estate. It's a return to roots. For those in Jamaica, embracing multi-generational living isn't just a financial decision. It's a cultural affirmation. It's about honoring ancestors by keeping land in the family, creating safe spaces where elders and youth thrive, building wealth not just for today, but for generations to come. Legacy isn't simply what we inherit, it's what we build together. Across oceans and generations. Dean Jones. Practical steps for families considering multi-generational living. If you're inspired by the Brixton to Kingston journey and want to make multi-generational living work for your family, here are some tips. Start conversations early. Discuss goals, finances, and expectations openly. Get legal help. Draft co-ownership agreements and wills. Design with intention. Ensure privacy with smart layouts and separate living spaces. Plan finances clearly. Who pays what? How are costs shared? Keep communication flowing. Regular meetings can ease tensions before they start. Is multi-gen living right for your family? Think about your own family's story. Do you have roots in Jamaica but family abroad? Are you looking to build legacy on family land? Do you want to combine financial strength with cultural strength? If yes, then you're part of a powerful, enduring tradition. One that links Brixton's streets to Kingston's yards, weaving past and present into a shared future. Let's build together. I'm Dean Jones. I help Jamaican families at home and abroad find, build, and grow multi-generational homes that honor our culture and meet today's needs. Reach out. 876-418-2524, Jamaica-homes.com. Disclaimer. This article is intended for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, or medical advice. The traditional remedies and cultural practices mentioned are based on historical and cultural contexts and should not replace professional consultation. Readers are encouraged to seek advice from qualified professionals before making decisions related to property ownership, finance, health, or legal matters.